let us solve one question based on the Van't Hoff factor. Which one of the following aqueous solutions will exhibit highest boiling point? Okay, now in case of boiling point, we know that when we are adding any non-volatile solute in the volatile solvent, there will be elevation in the boiling point. So delta TB will be, we have always calculated delta TB like this, TB minus TB naught, right, where TB is the boiling point temperature of the solution after mixing non-volatile solute to it. TB naught is the boiling point of the pure solvent, right? Okay, now here you can see delta TB and TB are directly related to each other. Greater the delta TB, greater will be TB also. Okay, now delta TB is also related to Van't Hoff factor. We know the formula of delta TB is equal to I into KB into M. Okay, now here that is why delta TB is also directly proportional to Van't Hoff factor I. Okay, now how we can find out the Van't Hoff factor? By simply writing down the dissociation reaction. I will talk about first of all glucose, which is given in the option B. Okay, glucose formula is C6H12O6. This, when dissolved in water, it does not undergo dissociation, right? So it remains as it is even if we are dissolving it in water. No dissociation takes place. So in this case, the number of ions produced is equal to only 1. So Van't Hoff factor is equal to 1 in this case, right? Okay. Now, in case of next, I am going to talk about urea, which is given in option C. The formula for urea is like this: CO attached to NH2 on both the sides. So this is urea. When we are dissolving it in water, it also gives only 1 ion, that is nothing but urea again. So Van't Hoff factor will be equal to 1 for this solution also. So in case of option B and C, concentrations of the solutions are greater as compared to A and B, but still they will not have the highest boiling point. Why? Because their Van't Hoff factor is less. Okay, now we have to compare in between option A and option D. Both of them have same concentration, therefore their elevation in boiling point will depend on the number of ions produced, that is Van't Hoff factor. Okay, first of all let us talk about Na2SO4. When it is dissolved in water, it gives you 2 Na plus 1 SO4 2 minus ion, right? That is total number of ions produced is equal to 3. On the contrary, KNO3 potassium nitrate, it undergoes ionization to give you K plus and nitrate ion NO3 minus. So Van't Hoff factor is equal to 2 in this case. As Van't Hoff factor for Na2SO4 is greater than KNO3, therefore it will have greater delta TB. Greater delta TB means it will have highest boiling point. So option A is the correct answer for this question.